Look at it, you pick it up.
What's going on?
Oh my God.
We're coming for you, Sophia.
We're coming.
We're coming. We've already drove 3.5 hours.
3.5?
Yeah, it's been 3.5 hours.
No, it hasn't. It's been like 5 hours.
Amen.
This is an update of our vlog. Where are we going?
We're going to Disneyland.
Oh my God! He's eating a Rice Krispie treat. We're looking for a Starbucks.
In pursuit.
Oh. Police in pursuit.
Okay, follow Birdie. We'll pick up the vlog when we get to Starbucks. Caffeine! Caffeine! Turn off. Got him. We're in Arizona.
Quart size.
I'm gonna spit it out.
I remember this truck.
Turn the lights off, Emilio.
Why?
Emilio, turn the lights off.
You're not my dad.
Are we gonna get tired recently? No.
We're never sleeping again.
Never.
In Spanish helped him translate.
Can you hire it?
the list. Wait, hold on. Diane had asked Santa to bring her toys, clothes, and art supplies.
Innocent said I keep a chest. She was a bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits, yeah, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby. Ooh, you just gotta fuse. Gotta write me like a clue.
Nobody had answered his letter.
Ooh, It was stuck by ya.
Yeah.
It was on flower.
Yeah.
We love all our friends. Is there anything to eat here? What's this? Oh, snap! Hey, you already.
Hello. Called to say goodnight.
Okay, good night.
You going to sleep?
No, probably a little later.
I thought lights out was 11.
No, I think he switched it to like 11:30, so we can.
So what have you been doing?
All the girls came into our room, and then we were just hanging out.
Oh, that's fun.
I can't hear you.
Okay, let me take you off speaker. I said that sounds like fun. All right, I love you, and I guess you'll be home tomorrow night?
Yeah, we're going
To the school. Okay, we'll pick you up there. Just text me when you get home. I mean, when you're en route home. And let me know. I'll call you to see how the game went. Love you. Bye.
We're gonna get you, Sophia.
Fourth floor?
Hey guys.
Oh, here, right here, right here. Housekeeping.
She's bleeding because they got a truck. And I thought it was low.
We're also making you a video.
Look, she fell out of the truck. Because it was high up.
Oh, you'll see later.
Get out.
All that for this.
You have to always.
Does that mean I get the bed to myself?
Her bag's way back over there.
Are you guys having fun?
We'll catch back up with you guys at the hotel.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're at the hotel. So we're gonna get some sleep. And I'm gonna start editing the video. And yeah, we'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Just got out of the hotel. How was it?
We just woke up
Oh,
like
yeah, pretty much.
2 hours ago. We had breakfast.
Yeah.
This is our hotel.
We're about to leave.
Nice hotel.
About to leave. I'll say it.
I'ma put the drip on the plate. I'm an ice place.
Oh, damn, that's that.
The reason, wait, this is the reason we came to Arizona
To watch her
to
play.
watch my sister play basketball.
Right there. The back
Yeah,
tire.
that's tough. But we not only came to watch her, we're gonna give her a present,
We surprised her with.
a new phone. Yeah. So yeah, we'll record her reaction and put it in the vlog after. So I'll record some of the game too and put it in the video. What do you have to say
Yeah.
about this, Yasleen?
You better do good.
Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. We have something for you.
What is it? Oh, my phone. Yeah, Dad told me.
Oh my god. When did he tell you? We're home finally. Yay. Congrats, Sophia, on sitting the bench.
Sitting.
Yeah, you guys got 3rd place, so yeah, congrats.
Congrats.
See you guys later, next vlog. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.